Ready to learn more ASL signs? Let's get started. The first sign we're going to do is the sign assistant. To sign assistant, simply take both hands, form the letter A. Now I am right-handed, so my right hand is my dominant hand and my left hand is my non-dominant hand. Now with your non-dominant hand, place that out in front of the body and it will be above the dominant hand, just like this. Now with your dominant thumb, you're going to tap twice at the bottom of the non-dominant hand, just like this. Let me show you from the side, from the front again. That is how you sign assistant. The sign blind. To sign blind, simply take your dominant hand. What I do is I form the letter V and then flex the fingers just like this. From here, I will bring it right there in front of the eyes like this. From the side, in front again. That is how you sign blind. The sign blush. To sign blush, simply take your dominant hand, extend out the index finger, and from here you will do the sign red, just like that. Now you will take both hands, bring them towards the side of the face, and you will wiggle them, pretending as if you are turning red or you're blushing, just like this. Let me show you the whole sign. That is how you sign blush. The sign comfortable. To sign comfortable, simply take both hands and then you'll just place them right on top of each other just like this, rotating, and then show on your face that you are really comfortable. That is how you sign comfortable. The sign to count. To sign this, simply take your non-dominant hand, extend it out in front of the body with the palm facing upward. Now with your dominant hand, I form the letter F, but I will keep my thumb and my index finger kind of like a circular or a circle just like this. Now from here, I will take my dominant hand and go forward twice on the palm of the non-dominant hand. Let me show you that from the side and from the front again. That is how you sign to count. The sign exact. To sign exact, simply take both hands, form the letter F, just like this. Now, with my dominant hand, I'll bring it closer to my non-dominant hand, just like this, from the side. Now, also, you'll also see this out in the deaf field. You might see people bring the index finger and the thumb and do an exaggerated motion just like this and bring them together like this. That is another way you'll see the sign exact. The sign switch or exchange. To sign this, simply take both hands, form the letter F. Now what I do from here, I'll take my dominant F and bring that further away from my body, and my non-dominant F is closer to my body. And from here, I will do a loop just like this and bring them right back to the original positions. Let me show you that from the side and from the front again. That is how I sign exchange or to switch. The sign fade or dissolve. To sign this, simply take both hands. Now what I do is I separate all the fingers and then I'll bring the fingers together, and from here they will actually slide down the thumb just like this. Let me show you that from the side. Front again. That is how I sign fade or dissolve. The sign illegal or forbid. To sign this, simply take your non-dominant hand, extend that out in front of the body with the palm facing the opposite side. Now with your dominant hand, form the letter L. Now this L will strike against the palm of the non-dominant hand, just like this. Let me show you that from the side and from the front again. That is how you sign illegal or forbid. The sign impossible. To sign impossible, simply take your non-dominant hand, extend it out in front of the body with the palm facing upward. Now with your dominant hand, form the letter Y. The Y will then strike twice against the palm of the non-dominant hand, just like this. Now, sometimes I've seen people do this or get dramatic and do this. Impossible. Either way is fine. That is how I sign impossible. The sign to look for. To sign to look for, simply take your dominant hand, form the letter C. Now with the C, you'll bring that out in front of the body, do a circular motion going in a counterclockwise motion, just like this. Make sure your face shows that you're actually looking for something. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign to look for or to search for. Now, I've shown you on this video over 10 ASL signs. If you've learned anything on this video, do me the honor of first hitting the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.